Natalia, Eva, esteemed stakeholders of that project, beloved children, Rıfat Bey. It is a big honor for us to be here and to be part of that great, valuable project. What we have done for that project is maybe a drop in the ocean when we comparing what we have done, what we have succeeded. It is one of the biggest children evacuation projects after the Second World War, if it is not the biggest one. Today I have again understood comprehensive and the size of that and the value of that project. We are really honored, appreciate a part of that project. And from my deepest heart, I would like to thank you. And I would like to say thank you to our members. Without that, we cannot be a strong controller of the project, like company Evyak, Murat Kavak, Onur Group, and Elsel Ekibi, and others. Thank you very much again for that project, and thank you very much to American Hospital.
Я его изучаю, далее